Alright, what up YouTube? This is game one, top 8 at our locals at Game Den. Shut up, Steve, I'm recording. Shh. You gotta be quiet. This is game one.
I guess I did.
Top 8. Wind-ups.
There you go.
Wind-ups and what are you playing? TG?
Yeah.
Wind-ups and TG. The new wind-ups from Generation 4.
They're not that good.
They're not that good, but they get top 8 at our locals. So, we'll have a deck profile of it soon. Thank you, such a bitch.
Oh fuck? Okay. Nice. It's right there. High roll.
Oh, wait, down. Up? Okay, thank God. I was gonna piss off if you had hard. Go.
This is pretty good, dude. Go ahead.
Attack? I don't know if I like that one. Okay. I'll warn him. 17.
Alright, Scoop.
Got a Joey Chow, you open up tour guide on me, all pretty good games that you won't do to use.
Go. Okay.
You have dice?
What I'm gonna do?
Okay.
What do you have? This is so bad.
I'm gonna take them both.
Probably.
Oh, beefy. 2,000 defense.
So I take 13 and this thing dies.
Hey, why did it die?
Help seconds in your hand.
Because
Barbarossa's a beast.
Let's see.
Oh, did you chain skill, Jalen?
just my turn.
Yep. I'm just glad Barbaros forgets that he was at 19. Yeah, I was at 19?
So super.
Okay, you're gonna have to explain all these.
He gains 400 attack and gains 1 level. Until the end. Boom.
He's at 3,000!
He stays at 3,000?
Yes!
Holy shit. Well, that sucks.
It sucks, doesn't it?
Why did I even...
He forgets he was ever at 19.
Lose.
Yes.